It began with a vision, a dream to speak wirelessly, beyond wires, beyond limits. In 1973, Martin Cooper, a Motorola engineer, stood on a sidewalk in New York and made the first mobile phone call in history. The device? A giant, 2.5-pound block of plastic and wires called the Dyna-TAC 8000X. It had a battery life of 30 minutes and took 10 hours to charge. But the future had arrived. Over the next decades, the mobile phone evolved. From analog voice in the 1980s to SMS messaging in the 1990s. Then came 3G, and the internet arrived in our pockets. 4G gave us streaming, TikTok, and video calls. 5G now powers cities, hospitals, cars. The phone is no longer just a phone. It's a calendar, a camera, a credit card, a doctor, a flashlight. And for over 5 billion people around the world, it's home. But behind the sleek glass and metal is something we rarely see, something far less glamorous. A hidden world of bacteria. Your phone is one of the dirtiest objects you own. Studies have shown that a mobile phone screen carries up to 10 times more bacteria than the average toilet seat. It lives in your hands, in your pocket, on your bed, in your kitchen, and yes, sometimes in the bathroom. Every time you touch your screen after opening a door, handling cash, petting a dog, or sneezing, you're feeding that microbial colony. Among the most common bacteria, Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, Streptococcus. Some are harmless. Others, not so much. In 2020, researchers tested hospital workers' phones. They found over 94% of phones were contaminated. Some even carried antibiotic-resistant superbugs. But there's good news. You can clean your phone. You just need to do it right. Here's how. 1. Turn off your phone and unplug it. 2. Use a microfiber cloth, not tissues or rough fabric. 3. Slightly dampen it with a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution. 4. Gently wipe down all surfaces. 5. Never spray directly onto the phone. Never use bleach. Never use vinegar. You can also use UV phone sanitizers. They kill most bacteria with light. And if you use a phone case, don't forget to clean that too. Especially silicone ones. They love to hold on to germs. And what about those old phone socks from the early 2000s? Fun, sure, but not useful. Today, modern cases are tougher, smarter. Some even have antimicrobial coatings. So, how often should you clean your phone? Once a week is a good start. During flu season or pandemics. Every day. Your phone is with you more than your toothbrush, more than your keys. It goes where you go. Sleeps beside you. Travels with you. It's an extension of your body, of your mind. And if we're going to carry it everywhere, maybe it's time we treat it with the care it deserves. Clean it. Respect it. Because the future is already in your hands.